Please, please love our animals, people, please. Animals are just such loving creatures to society. Our ecosystems are slowly fading away because these tall buildings are being put up, and we are smashing. What if someone came over your home and smashed it? Please save our animals, please. And for then I see other animals that are being abused daily, and it's so sad. Dog fights and shooting. All these hunters that want to go out there and kill deer. Shame on you. Shame. You know, this is our world. Let's love it. Ever heard of Hug a Tree Day? Tear a whole forest down just to put in a condominium or a home. Your $1 million home. Boo hoo hoo. Well, you know what? It's wrong. Wrong, people. You are wrong. What else do I have to say about this? About our animals and our society? You know, let's love our animals, please. Please, let's fight. Now, do the right thing.